countryside. This is the real countryside of Jamaica. You, down there, Negril is on the beach. But right here, you come here, in the countryside right here, you get a real culture, you get a real vibes. Everything is so natural, clear, crystal right, the real vibes. So you gotta come to Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica, you gotta come to the countryside and see what it's like to get it real.
Yeah, the real vibe.
Real. Yeah. Yeah, man, I saw it go, you know, the real thing.
So around the back?
Place, cool place.
Yep, so around back.
Yeah, so you let march down and come and see over it.
Man, stink like a dog shit.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not telling a lie. Good for you, people, but I not even like see it right now. I'm an arch enemy. I said, fuck me up the other day. I said, 7 hours vomiting and 3 days to recover. No, sir.
Welcome to the Nurture Being channel, the channel that highlights the warmth, essence, the love, and the culture of Black people all over the world. As you already know, we are natural herbalists, but the world is so big, right? So why not travel and discover new herbs and experiences that the Black consciousness has to offer? Today, we are looking for honeybees in the country of Jamaica. But man, did we find more than we bargained for.
I did one, yo.
You can't blame that on me. You're supposed to be like the top-notch director.
No, meaning the glass here.
You told me it was you that filmed scary movie 1,
Go away.
2, 3, and 4. So I don't want to hear no excuses. Alright. Cool. They got direct me right. Oh, this is right here. It's right here that they were cutting down crazy.
Oh, it look like a something.
So how far back do it go?
There?
Yeah.
Oh, look what you go all the way back down there.
It go behind my house?
Yeah, that's your house.
That they cut?
I farm them, I farm in Antimani. A farmland that, you know.
Sweet pepper, all those plants down there. A lot of big stuff going on.
You see the amount of work necessary to
Forget it up.
start something? So you don't want them weeds coming back, so they dig down deep.
Yep.
So who's behind that project then? Dig up all that land then?
That's one of other local guys.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, go out in the America country, you know.
Yeah. And you come back now, invest back in this country.
Yeah, come back and, you know, and do something because it's our culture, man.
That's what's up. Alright, yeah.
Yeah. This is where on the left I pick up the Saras there.
Step to the side right here. Okay. And that goat patch here.
I have 6 acres of property over there.
That's a lot of property. That's some good ass property too.
That's not really for me still.
I'm trying to. How much acres is in a hectare?
Where?
And how much acres are in a hectare?
When I ready for the pan, then
You're the star of the show.
I'm not even cute right now. It's morning.
You are the star of the show, man.
What my video instead?
But you don't know how to video. On the video, you looking down at the floor, right at the car bottom and everything.
Oh, my video, you want, how much you want to do? Because you know see the tips that I'm taking. I know what say.
Right up here. Right up here. We're gonna go over.
Oh, so my name there.
Soon come back.
Yeah.
Rick!
Here are that. Walk on.
What's going on, family? You alright? Yeah. That look like Tajay mom too, yeah.
No, not a J mother. That's wrong with your eye. The money and a J mother. Well, you're right.
One hide over there, you know.
So right now we are driving through our community. So we're going up, well, we're going through Cane Valley now. We were in Marchtown earlier, but we're very close. It's the community next to us.
Yo, J. Cool, say something for them, man. Say something about Jamaica, man. Especially seeing how you was in the tourist thing. You know, big up the island, distill your spirit, man.
Well, the experience of the tourism business, you know, it's a very nice thing because you get to learn a lot of things, see a lot of people, meet people from all over the world. You know, if you want to do business, man, you got to, you know, speak the language to do your business, get a business on. It's nice to be with people, you know, that you don't know. They come very friendly. Take them to the countryside, show them the culture, teach them the culture about Jamaica. You know, teach them a lot of things, you know, they need to know.
This is the country, right?
Yeah, this is the real countryside of Jamaica.
Yeah.
We are living in the rural area.
We got a cow over here.
Why you
chilling.
got much cover
So you
past
see,
already?
coming to Jamaica is not like on a vacation. The hotel is not it. You have to come in the countryside
Right.
and get to see more. And to see the roots of the people. We're gonna stop right down right here.
Right,
there
on the right hand side?
On the right hand side.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where a brethren has some bees. They're trying to catch some bees.
Yes.
But we're just gonna scout today, see what's happening. You know, so
Hold on.
I'm about to go check this out with us.
Wait, may I come up on here?
You see, not the countryside. This is the real countryside of Jamaica. You, down there, Negril is on the beach. But right here, you come here, in the countryside right here, you get a real culture, you get a real vibes. Everything is so natural, clear, crystal right here, the real vibe. So you gotta come to Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica, you gotta come to the countryside and see what it's like to get a real.
Yeah, the real vibe.
Real. Yeah, man, real.
I'm glad you guys getting to see the spirit of local Jamaicans, man, because man, this guy Joe Cool, he's full of vibes and he's very helpful. In fact, the whole community is helpful. So what he told me is that there's a bunch of honeybees stuck in a tree in one of his brethren's backyard. And so they're gonna cut down this tree, but guess what? We're on a mission to save those bees, right? If the home is going away, then we'll give them a new home. But we give thanks. This guy helped us a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I say go, you know, real thing.
So around
real
back.
place, cool place, you know.
Yep. So around back.
Yeah,
You
so
say
you
it's a
left
bee
march
side.
down and come at your valley. Good. So, as I was saying, you know, you see the real thing, you know, living at Jamaica, when you come at Jamaica to live, you can't live on the beach.
Most of the people.
Most of the people are the sea much more better. The sun is much more cool. Yeah, so you know, so you just have to be like, you know,
Right.
check it out. No, tell me just want to see it, me just want to look on the. If you can carry show me the. So,
There's a river close by?
yeah.
So if you could come back tomorrow morning or later,
What?
that's what you buy.
Alright, so we have it ordered now. Where you looking?
Oh, he wanted to see it.
Yeah, you wanted to see it.
I'll be the one
Yeah,
handling.
you know if I did it.
No,
You don't go crack it. So you just have to look on it and to just see what.
Yeah, I just want to see how difficult. How
no,
easy.
no, which one of the trees is. I'm going to go far over there. You know what? They don't go around this side of the house.
No.
That's how it is for you.
Come back in next time.
Alright.
Are you come back and come back morning?
Everybody gotta ask him. See what time.
You normally go to boating, like 9 thereabouts. And he just left her around there. So that you can never call him till he come. And so he comes here to report and he can catch one tire for it. Then that green island.
Are they aggressive though?
She don't know that. She don't know nothing about the beef. Because if she didn't know it right there, let us carry on the show. So I just tree.
I'm not know which one I tree.
You don't see them come up here, though? You don't see them come up here and mess with the flowers and
No,
stuff.
man, they buzz on the flowers, they man.
And then they trouble you.
No, they don't trouble you. They would buzz on the flowers here, or you would see them in the palm tree there. They like to buzz on those.
Yeah, I see them right there.
Yeah, they like, they're on it a lot.
Yeah.
So you know where the pen is, right?
Then go call me, I don't know
Right, so we're going at the pen.
Look here, I'm going direct to make you go on.
Yes, right.
That's what you were working for, you know. That's what you were working for, right?
You take the time and just deal with it. So you just have to just think fast. Right. That's how you go, you know. Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamdown. Welcome to the country.
Yeah.
Real countryside, you know. Yo, we take people.
She a call in.
Yo. All right.
Come man, I need to get you on camera.
Go on, babe, go on.
I need to get her on
Go
camera.
on.
That's the camera shot.
Yeah.
The coconut. Yeah.
Let's get drop.
I have about 3 trees, big like that, and they drop all the time. Every time
Ricky?
Ricky, what's up, man? Listen. Right over here. Alright, hold on. There you go,
Yeah.
Ricky.
Yeah, Trey? Yeah, auntie sending money, me pick you up tomorrow. Said what we sending and open Sunday? Well, me they up in a country bush, like me in the bush now. Yes.
No man, walk this side. Yeah, walk that side. Because you realize that there's a
Eh?
here, so walk that side.
No man, she called me when she in at the Western Union and tell me that she gonna send it here. Yeah.
Action.
So guys, you see when you think nurture being, just think of like a one-stop herbal shop, you know? Where you can go, you can get your herbs, the skincare herbs, you can get your herbs for your internal care. We have things for the blood, for the heart, for the lungs, for the stomach. We have if you have spotty skin, the skin dehydrated. You see, women, your vagina itch, we have something for you. You have tenderness, when you are overlaid, we have something for you. Hormonal imbalance, we have something for you. Men with the limp dick, we have something for you. Your face bumpy, and you need something to clean up the blood, we have something for you. You know? Your kidney or your liver non function, we have something for you. Your skin dry and scaly, we have something for you. You don't know what to eat, you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, we have something for you. Same it. So every single thing you can think about, we have something for you. So when you're thinking about complete nutrition in terms of medicinal plants and stuff, just think nurture being. Trust me. Nurture being? Yeah. Our one-stop herb shop.
Big ass tree. Alright, so basically what's happening is the owner of the property is gonna cut down one of these trees. See how big this tree is. But there's bees in there. So we're trying to save the bees before the tree is cut down. So we're trying to figure out which tree it is. I think it's this one, but we're gonna find out.
Nobody break there, so this a break already. You can walk this and go on. see the part right here, son.
Right there, sir?
Yeah. So now just go right through this. So.
Oh.
Yeah. Good stuff. You want me to record and go over there?
Go on, go on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a few small. Yeah. Let's see if I'm never there, look. Fool me.
They're doing some cutting over there. Yeah, it might be over there somewhere. Should have called them. Probably best to call it.
Instead of it up on a wild goose chase.
Yep.
But now, like, so with the year, so I'm just sit down and wait for them to find the bees. I would just buck up away. The duck, we buck up on the duck plant.
Just cooling. We wasn't even looking for it, man.
And see it there?
Look at this right here. Nature's most intense cleanse. We out here looking for bees, honeybees, and then we run into this. Gotta be careful with it. It's delicate.
And right now, I'm not even like see it. I'm telling you the truth. After I put my through, I'm a liquor enemy right now. I'm not even like see it. Oh gosh.
It came bad. The same thing I tell you we didn't look for. The duck plant. It's right yonder in the backyard, brother.
Smell stink like a duck shit.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not telling a lie. Good for you, people, but I not even like see it right now. I'm an arch enemy. I said, fuck me up the other day. I said, 7 hours vomiting and 3 days to recover. No, sir.
It did you wicked.
You deal with me too rough, man.
Let me see if I can get the next tree over there.
See them there? See a couple there too, man.
Let me see it right there. What, you see this here? A rotten.
Oh, see, I have to be careful. Your mind not dropping a car. If they drop me, I go record it.
It may not be on YouTube, famous for breaking my neck. I'm just gonna leave that one alone. Yeah, famous for breaking my neck on YouTube.
See some up there too.
Which part?
Up there, sir.
Let me see if I can grab that one at least.
How much you have?
3.
You're supposed to have more than 3. More than you understand.
3, let's see there.
Yeah, you pick one.
3.
You never pick one around here, sir? Oh. But see, detox right there, so yeah.
Not too hot.
We're not even reading. Now we know where to go. Well, I'm going to get to see. Wait a minute, I block you. Don't move.
Well, I can't clear this here.
It dropped. After so much effort, it just drops. Yeah. I swear. Move a leaf there in front of your face. See? Yeah. No, the one above it.
Hold on. So, Macadamia.
Yeah.
There it is, man. Jamaica's most lethal.
You see it? You see it right there, sir? The duck right now.
Yeah.
Don't make that blow away. Don't make that blow away.
Right now, you see it over there, so nice and pretty looking, attractive. Remember, me tell you, so that fucked me up for about 8 hours.
Yeah?
And days after.
Yeah?
But me I tell you, so right now I'm afraid that me not lie, but me still will tell people if you want to try it. Because it a go clean you up. But me I tell you, say, and a boy, it will weak you out, you drop on your back.
So you have to have something to build you up.
Yeah man, so you have to prepare your feet before, because you say if you're dehydrated or you not eat properly, more to tell us if you just take this. Build yourself up, because it go you throw up, so you lose a lot of minerals and stuff.
So what would you recommend to before you?
So before you take it, you drink up your coconut water. You drink your nurture immunity, and the nurture immunity have herbs that prepare the liver and the kidney for the detox. And you eat a lot of vegetables couple days before. Like if a 3 days, say you take the duck Saturday. From Wednesday you start adjust your diet.
Okay.
Take charcoal water.
Have your charcoal water, the coconut water, get your ginger, all of them kind of herb there.
Yeah.
We are going to prepare your body, go minimize the effect of it. Well, the symptoms now go so.
The effect, but it's gonna make sure it's
You don't feel the symptoms so bad. Yeah, so I'm correct myself. It's not going to minimize the effect, it go just make your body able to manage it better.
Yes.
Right.
the same way though.
Yeah.
So how many days?
So I would say for the dog, give yourself minimum 3 days, because after that you have to go recover your energy. So you have to sleep, you have to go transition to tea. After the dog, you drink your tea, tonics and soups.
Yeah, soup for a good.
What you specializing in soup?
Well, I did do pumpkin soup, quinoa soup. That's soup when I have no big
fat.
junk of meat.
Right.
And
No fat.
and starchy food. So if you say for example the pumpkin, you cream it out. So your digestive system, your gut have less work for processing. And then you need for rest. And personally, I didn't feel like I was tired, but based on how I sleep, my body definitely needed the rest. And you're going to be hungry, because for me, I up until now, I can't stop eating. To all these things stimulate my appetite. It is a cleanser. It's a very aggressive cleanser, and it is.
It empty you out.
Yeah.
There's nothing in your stomach, nothing in your intestines.
So you're gonna be starting to rebuild.
Yeah, you get a reset.
One.
You get a reset.
Empty you out properly. When I tell you, sir, you throw up every 5 minutes for 8 hours, it's not an exaggeration. You really throw up every 5 minutes for 8 hours.
How long you do this rotation?
Once a year. Yeah, once a year you're good.
But me no say me not take it once every 10 years. I just say no man. When you take it, alright, J. Cole. When you take it, you come talk to me. Talk to me and say me in a same club.
Well, I'll be able to prepare myself, you know.
Prepare yourself. And you know which get like a sauce-up leaf tea. Those things were good for your nerves.
Yeah.
Get them the tea.
Yeah.
there.
So you have to build yourself.
Yeah.
And then you take that detox.
Right.
So
And it's something where you just jump and take so.
just take like that.
Because it will knock you the fuck out. It go knock you down. And something what me I tell you say, make sure say if you dey eat and you feel fainty and weaky, don't fucking take this. Wait until you feel it at your strongest point. Because let me tell you, say the dog plant full pull from my breast, I couldn't feel every nerves in my breast are suck.
So this is very good for people who get HIV.
Yes, absolutely.
This is something, you see, to my understanding, the way you're saying it to me, this is something that's going straight to the bloodstream.
It walks through your body.
Detox, it cleans you right out properly. Yeah. So you gotta start. So what any form of disease and all those stuff.
So it's a good opportunity now to rebuild after you take it.
Right.
Cause mama tell you, you see how it feel? It come like something I walk through your body and a scan and a pull. That's how it felt to
so
me.
So the blood, that's where you get to the blood, you know.
Yes,
So
yes.
So you get all those type of bad stuff out of the blood. That's why you feel that way, because the blood gets weaker.
Right, because it release.
Release all the bad stuff from out of it.
Yeah, that's why tomorrow is a drink
day.
day.
It filter the blood.
Filter the blood. And
That
then, you know, sir, when it releases the toxins, it brings the toxins to the blood.
Right.
And then
So
the
you
blood
feel
now bring it-
nauseated.
Yeah, that's when
Right.
you feel nauseated.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why we said drink a charcoal, because the charcoal act as binders.
Yes.
The charcoal act as binders to help to get your body to expel the toxins. So yeah man, it help your filtration organs a lot. May I tell you, say, one at a time, may I tell you, my pee-pee, my doo-doo, my vomit one time.
You have to do that because it's working. It work. So you shouldn't be scared of it.
Me still afraid.
No.
May I tell
No,
you?
you shouldn't. You shouldn't be afraid of it. Because you see, that's why you are like this today. That's why you are like this today. Yeah. So you know, it's
Me
good.
afraid I like puss, but me still recommend it because of the benefits.
The benefit, and no side effect.
Just doing is all of the awfulness where you feel at during the process.
That's what it is.
That's it.
That's all.
After that, you're good again.
Right. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And after having it, and you go through all that process, you know, you're good to go again.
Good to go, because right now I'm good to go. Yeah.
You find what?
Sitting chicken.
Bossy. Then when you look, you know, see the spike them pan man.
No, I don't expect tree to have spike.
Yeah.
I expect tree to be soft and gentle.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, so what I love with it though, afterwards, is like you're not gonna have tolerance, cause it make you, it's like it reset all your taste buds, and you know your taste connected to your smell.
Yeah, right.
So you see anything unhealthy, you can't go stomach it. So like
Right. Yeah,
you see meat and eggs and them. If I ever look pan one egg you want to.
Yeah, so you just like, you know, you gotta rebuild stuff. You gotta reset stuff, you know. So that in case you understand, you know, what you're taking, and you know that not to take the garbage stuff in your body. So, you know, you wouldn't be last long. You'll be sick and go to the doctor.
Yeah, and the more toxins you have, the worse your experience going to be. May I tell you?
And that's very good, because you see, we all come here to live long. But you know, just because of the greediness and the thing, you know, we take up all this junky food and this soda drinks with so much stuff in it, you know.
Too much acid.
Too much acid, and we don't eat at the right time. Some of us, you know, we eat all different kind of stuff. So, and we go to bed and we don't exercise. So all those kind of stuff stuck up in us and get us sick and form a disease.
It's true.
So this is the right thing. The duck plant is the right thing to cleanse.
True.
The cleansing,
True.
everything. This is good.
Yeah,
So
man.
I recommend it. Yeah, I recommend it for people to use it, detox yourself, be born again, and live long life, long live, and clean your liver, your kidney, everything. Joe Cool said that. Go for it, the duck plant. It's good for toxin, good for everything, and you will be living long. You don't have to go to the doctor to spend money and the fat and all those stuff inside of you. You don't have to be afraid of it. It's very good. Check it out. Okay. Rastafari.
Yeah, man, we love that.
But yo, guys, it's supposed to be a beehive somewhere in one of them trees.
Yeah.
We're looking for it. We can't
Yeah, but
exactly
still
find it.
But
But look,
at the
look
same-
what we did find though. We found a duck.
duck.
We ain't gonna give up on them bees though. We gotta save the bees. We found the duck.
And then now we end up being on a old little herb walk kind of
Yeah,
tour.
Yes.
Because there's so much, look right here, so we have the pepper elder right here, so nice. Which one is this? Me don't know
Oh,
that
that's
one
the
there.
thing that dry up. That was in our
The back
backyard.
of the
no.
backyard, yeah.
Yeah, we don't know what it is, but
The bees them love it though.
Yes, yes.
I did see this video where they make shampoo from it. It's like when the place is raining a lot, this thing absorbs a lot of moisture. They get fat.
Oh yeah, mix it with the shampoo ginger.
That's what I'm mixing it with. Yeah, there's a leaf that look like
This, then call shampoo,
shampoo ginger, and it
yeah.
get fat, brother. And then you squeeze it,
And all liquid
and
come
all
out.
the
But
liquid come
this look like they're related. Cause them
Yeah.
shapes so similar.
out. Look just like it.
Yeah.
And in my backyard, thousands of these things here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yo, they got some huge red ants in there. I was just squeeze.
Yeah, see it there. You must be frightened
Them get the them suck the juice from it.
Yeah.
That's where them live. That's where them get their medicine from.
Okay.
So, you know, the
I
jungle.
just know the good stuff.
Down in Kelly Valley,
Cave Valley Jungle.
you're in the valley.
What I love, what I appreciate about being in the bush are the cleanliness of the air. The quality of air is so different.
But listen,
And it feels good.
But listen, you hear that?
Nature.
You know, say that's God speaking right now. You know, hear the wind, the breath of the trees and the birds. And
Lots of tune.
if you want to know how to create a sound,
You listen to it, you hear it, you can build a
yeah,
rhythm from it.
build there it is. You can tap into the vibration, the vibration, the natural harmonics of life.
The guy said that one of the
Yeah, it should be.
one other guy was telling me that it's right there, but it has a hole and something wrong. He was telling me about the riverside.
Bombardas.
You hear that?
Yeah, a tree.
You hear the tree cry a while ago.
Yeah.
Talk to the one another. Yo! What's the boss?
You hear it? What happened? Them a rub against each other.
Alright. The one Which one? The one You see
Don't
this
chew
trend?
it right
You
on
see
top.
this?
This tree is?
Are you go so close, you know?
You have to cut that limb there. You have to cut down the tree. The tree of it now.
You're talking about up where that big over all them leases?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what? They know what?
Okay.
All them bees that love going at also.
Brother, you see how the bees are inside the tree? It might be a huge colony in there. I thought they were in a duck hunt nest, but they're
Yeah,
in
that's
the
true,
tree. Yeah, man, that's gonna be a huge colony that's inside here.
Alright, so when you cut down the tree, you don't get.
I didn't see them cut over there. I may cut them to build up goat house, but man, they don't come back in.
Oh.
Any morning they come, they come call.
Alright.
That's cool.
I have enough.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know.
We
Holy.
should go and walk around there.
Oh, let me.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you see them?
Yeah, man.
Oh, well, no, which part? I never see which part.
You never see it? You don't think you come get it?
No. Which part you say over there, suck? I
No, you're not going to see it, so you have to go through the bush. You only
Ooh.
go them feet.
I'm
You call it drunk or blow nose.
same one. I'm gonna ask you to show me where it's at one of them days so I can just get a bag full of it.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Thank you, bro. This is
And I told me clean down the place. It's me, like,
Me tell
clean
you.
bush the place.
the same thing you said.
Yeah, me tell
She
you,
said
say
a
then
whole
cut
bunch
them
of
down.
Place.
Yeah,
We're
right.
gonna get more.
Yeah?
Think into
Yeah.
it. I think into it. Drunk or blow nose.
A junk of blow nose.
Janko blow nose. Yeah. You know, somebody was arguing with me, say they
And
call it
me
that.
see, but
Yeah.
then I understand it's a different parish call
They
it
call
by
it
different name.
Yeah.
So it's same thing, but we learn from not only you but other people say a drunk or blow nose, same eh?
Right.
That we know, yeah.
You
Drunk
take
or
it
blow
before?
nose. Eh?
You take it before? Take it one time, man. Experience
Alright,
it
that's
one
when
time.
you got one thing when you're ready, you know, man. Already, they full and bust up. You know, one turn in at the bush.
It's thing for you.
Tell us if you drink, you know.
Yeah.
Detox to clean your right
You know,
out.
man, that bush I tell me about.
Yeah, man.
Bush.
Bush I tell you about it.
I think cure all
You
sorts
can't
of
go no bush I took. A bush a real roots, man.
and You meet him then.
You wanna meet? Alright, yeah, man, okay, bro. Yeah, alright.
Busha.
Rasta, man.
Anything for your skin, you man they give roots, clean you out.
Yeah.
You make ointment. I don't know how you make it, but you make ointment. Rub you out.
I sound like a knowledgeable brother.
Yeah.
I love to link with him.
Busha.
Yes, doggy.
These ended them, man.
Yeah, you see them. You see them, man. My youth.
When I cut it, me not there, no, cause bees not like
You ever
me.
cut any of the tree with bees in them?
Bees not like me.
Or you not like these?
No, bees not like me. They find me all the while and come bite me.
You say, are you not like these? That's why these are like these.
So we find the bee's nest. We find the nest, but the thing is that the beehive is the dung inside of the tree. So it's like it was hard to show you guys, but we found it. So we're going to have to make special preparation for it, for capturing that hive based on how it is now. Based on how it is, we have to make special preparation because it's down in a tree. So you know, say it takes more planning, and I like it to hang off of the tree.
Yes, my brother. Yo.
Anytime they come.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That's cool. Yeah. Alright.
Remember me too when it comes to this thing here.
Yo, man, can't call you, man.
You know what I did?
Remember I crossed over
Alright.
there? After the pick up over there.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
blood, yeah, brother.
What was your name again, bro? Dougie?
Get fresh.
And what? And what's your name, brother? Renty. Dougie or Renty? Ah, Tumani, yeah?
Renki.
Oh, Renki. Renki?
Yeah.
Renki. Yeah.
Not renty. Rent.
Rank as in rank. Yeah, as in piss up rank.
So, how was it?
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
Burn it.
Yeah, worth it.
Okay.
Cause we end up finding a whole heap of other herbs
Yes, that,
and medicinal plants.
and that was great.
Yes, exceptional. No time at.
Could you imagine being a stranger and just receiving all that support from the community just because you asked? That's real warmth right there. That's love. But guess what? This is the real star of the show. It's set by nature or nurture itself. Let's go, big head. Oh, you're trying to be on camera.
Babe, no.
What?
No. Why no? Actually.
So what are we about to do?
We are gonna look on the next eye.
Poster.
And y'all gonna catch it.
Me and you are gonna catch you. Just don't say for this to the camera. And sound away, yeah, boof, boof, boof. I run, me I run. Just listen.
I run towards the eye.
No, I wait. Okay, don't say me afraid of them. Afraid of them.
Folks just be over here chilling.
The other day for no reason, 2 bees sitting up on my bottom for no reason. I just walk, go about my business, and the bees sitting up on my bottom.
You sure say you're not set up the bees and putting bad name on the bees?
I'm not put no bad name.
That you are the put bad name on the bees because them can't defend themselves.
Go along and I love a piece of fluxy bees there.
True.
Unruly, you know,
Yeah, I call the bee fluxy bee. I call the bee a fluxy bee. Good behaving bees, you know.
Good behaving bees.
I got bees.
They attack you unprovoked.
I got bees.
But at least me, unprovoked.
What's that? Jackfruit? Jackfruit? That they are jackfruit, not true?
No, some have to go pick a young one there.
Eh, you have jackfruit over there.
You're cool, me have to go come over your yard, because you know me cook it, me.
Joko, you know say your yard is our yard now?
Yeah, because I brown stew it, me curry it, me cook it. It's like, I want to think them and me cook and eat.
What are these holes for?
You don't build a foot of a building here, you know, so it makes you
Then dig out the pool.
Foundation.
color. You put color.
How can them chicken afraid of nobody?
Them big and fat though.
Them chicken afraid like my chicken.
Already I'm sure they layer them.
It's one of these chickens I need.
Huh?
It's one of them chicken I need.
You kind of chicken here, any?
Yeah. One of them type of chickens.
What are they doing?
Brethren,
Yeah.
see you hard at work, bro.
So it's it, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Coming like you're digging to the middle of the earth.
Yeah.
He's trying to find the core. Matter of fact, tell me where
Digging for gold.
tell me where the gold is, bro. I know you got the gold.
Yeah. That's it, you know. So when I go and deep, you cannot use the spade, man. If you use the bucket, take out the dirt like spade, you know.
Yeah.
You cannot take it out again, you know.
And just chuck it, yeah.
Go and deep.
Sheesh. You're a one-man army, bro. That work there.
Happy about the tree yesterday and cut it down. I know it's another life like us, but outside of that, the landscape, like all the trees them grow and some, I really enjoy that a lot.
It's cool. It really is. It's beautiful out here. And then we got these little guys just following us, man. Yeah, well, hold on. Do we see them? Yeah, I capturing them. Everywhere we go, it's following us. I ain't never have chickens do that. I have dogs do that. I have cats do that. I ain't never had chickens.
I flame of the forest. I flame of the fucking forest. That's what I love with Jamaica. Everywhere you turn, you see food. One banana, there's a jelly tree, there's a aki there's a mango season. Everywhere you turn, you see food. Can't hungry. And if your neighbor not talk, you just go and you see him. And then you say where you pick where you pick.
No, it's a breadfruit time.
Yeah. But I feel like a breadfruit time now, because I see breadfruit from the tree. Yeah, but they're small. Almond this.
Not my neighbor though. I can't touch my neighbor tree.
Almond trees.
No, sir.
That looks so.
Look on it good, my girl.
How it
Look
feel?
on it good. Look on it good.
Cashew.
Ah. Alright, that's the time I'm coming.
Yeah. When I catch it, I forgot come up and do one video tomorrow. When you pack. When you pack up at
When you have one now.
you have one down here, yeah, too?
Natural cashew this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100% pure cashew.
Natural cashew. And
One they use, and
inside of this is the nut.
the nut, yeah.
Which them say cashew in America, you can't eat it because it's poisonous or it's not alkaline. But that's American cashew. It's not. This is the wild Jamaican cashew,
Wild. This is the original cashew.
which is wild. The original one still wild. Wild meaning that it's not from no laboratory. It's
Right.
created by
Natural, yeah.
nature itself.
Nature, right.
Yeah, man. So this are the real thing.
Right.
And
Original.
This is soursop leaf.
Let me see it, right? This
which one the soursop leaf now? This one here. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. Good for cancer now.
Everything.
Everything. Eh?
Everything.
proper nerve.
Up on earth,
Yeah. Yeah. Soursop
Have
leaf.
problem to sleep. You need some.
Actually, all right, look at the cashew. Look at the cashew. Let me show you.
Want ready one?
So, look, all right now. See one just a gun. See one just a
Ah, here's a good one to show you.
See one right here.
Oh, so this is what I was saying now. So you see now in America, you only get the nut. So the nut is inside of this here. But you know that it's a food, it's a fruit.
This part I eat.
So
This part.
What?
yeah, this part right here
That's
you
where,
eat.
that's where you get the.
Oh, you see
This-
when you remember when
This
we
is
did?
where the
This is
you
where-
see how you could bite into pear and apple?
Yo,
You could
this
bite
is-
into this.
This is where you make the cashew juice.
Oh,
This
this
is where you get
fruit.
the fruit. This is
Oh,
where you
the-
squeeze and
You see
Ah.
it? The only juice they know it. So this juice sweet,
Yes.
right? See the nut, the cashew milk. Voila.
See what look in your hand and taste it.
How come?
Taste that.
Bomba is this nice.
Taste in your hand.
It's cashew juice.
Well, it's good kind of ways.
That thing's sweet.
Tastes good, man. But did I tell us
That thing's sweet.
Some of them red too. In Africa,
Yeah, we have the red
See
one.
the red one.
Yeah, we have the red one. Too.
Then they mix it up with the apple. You remember when they post the Jamaican apple?
They were saying it was cashew. Yeah, but it wasn't cashew.
Cashew, but we are telling them say no, and it's cashew. It's the apple, but it's shaped the same way. And they might say no one is cashew. So
That thing sweet, and full of water. You see a next ripe one?
But it up there so. The one that turn, the one that you have to try to turn. But one other one will almost ripe up right top.
See, this is what they don't know about overseas now. Overseas, they would have never known say you could bite into a cashew like a fruit. You know?
Oh, and they eat it just like that.
Yeah.
See the turn one there? Yes, see there?
Get it. Look at the chicken I gone for. Yo guys, so as you can see, we're new to YouTube and we're trying to make it. So like, comment, and
Subscribe.
right, like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love and let's help this channel grow.